In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deadline countdown formula in Notion. Head straight into Notion in your browser. I'm assuming you're already signed in, so once the workspace loads, go over to the left sidebar and open the database where you track your tasks. In this example, it's a table called Project Task, but you can use any database as long as it has a title column and a date property for deadlines. When the table opens, you should be looking at a task database with several rows already in place. The exact tasks do not matter. What matters is that you have a name column, a deadline column, and a status column, or something similar. We're going to add a new column that automatically calculates how much time is left before each deadline. Move to the far right side of your column headers and click the plus button to add a new property. As soon as the property panel appears, click into the name field and type time left. Say it naturally as you type, time, then a space, then left. After that, from the property type options in the drop-down, choose Formula. Now click the new time left column header so its settings open again. In the property panel, click Edit Property and then click Edit Formula. This opens the formula editor. At the top is the field where the formula goes. Below that, Notion shows available properties and functions. On the side, you'll see descriptions and examples when you hover over different functions. That can be helpful later, but for now we're going to type the formula directly. Click into the formula field at the top. We'll start with a basic countdown formula that returns a number of days. Type this carefully. Date between prop deadline, now, days. As you enter it, make sure the property name matches your date column exactly. If your column is called deadline, type deadline. If you named it something else, use that exact name instead. The idea here is simple. Notion is comparing the deadline date to the current date and returning the difference in days. Once the formula is in place, click anywhere outside the formula editor to save it. Back in the table, the time left column will now display numbers for each task. Positive numbers mean the deadline is still ahead, so if you see 7, that means 7 days left. Negative numbers mean the due date has already passed, so if you see -3, that means the task is 3 days overdue, and if you see 0, that means the deadline is today. That basic version works, but it looks a little plain, so let's turn it into readable text. Click the time left column header again. In the property panel, click Edit Property, then click Edit Formula. Once the formula editor opens, click inside the formula field, select all the existing text, and delete it completely. Now we're going to replace it with a more polished version. Type this formula into the field. If date between prop deadline, now, days equals 0, then due today. If date between prop deadline, now, days is greater than 0, then format date between prop deadline, now, days plus days left. Otherwise format abs date between prop deadline, now, days plus days overdue. When you enter this in Notion, use the proper formula syntax with quotation marks around the text labels and the normal Notion function format. The result is what matters here. This version checks 3 conditions. If the deadline is today, it shows due today. If the date is in the future, it shows the number plus days left. If the date has passed, it shows the number plus days overdue, and the absolute value removes the negative sign so the text looks clean. After you finish typing, click outside the formula editor again to save it. Now your time left column reads in a much more human way. Future tasks might show 5 days left. Tasks due today will show due today. Overdue tasks might show 3 days overdue. This is much easier to scan than plain positive and negative numbers. Next, let's make it even better by adding urgency labels with colored emoji so important deadlines stand out instantly. Click the time left column header one more time. Then click Edit Property and click Edit Formula. Select everything in the formula box and delete it. We're going to replace it with a final version that adds a visual priority signal based on how close the deadline is. Type the full formula carefully. If date between prop deadline, now, days equals 0, then blue circle emoji plus due. Today, if date between prop deadline, now, days is less than 0, then red circle emoji plus format abs date between prop deadline, now, days plus days overdue. If date between prop deadline, now, days is less than or equal to 3, then red circle emoji plus format date between prop deadline, now, but, days plus days left. if date between prop deadline. Now, days is less than or equal to 7. Then yellow circle emoji plus format date between prop deadline. Now, days plus days left. Otherwise green circle emoji plus format date between prop deadline. Now, days plus days left. Again, in the actual Notion editor, use the proper formula syntax, quotation marks, commas, and emoji directly in the text strings. As you type, take your time and keep the condition order exactly the same. First, we check for today. Then we check if it's overdue. Then we check whether it's 3 days or less away. Then whether it's between 4 and 7 days. And finally, anything beyond 7 days gets the green label. Click outside the formula editor to save it. Now the time left column becomes much more useful at a glance. Overdue tasks show a red indicator in the overdue text. Tasks due in 3 days or less also show red, so urgent work stands out immediately. Tasks due in 4 to 7 days show yellow. Tasks with more than 7 days left show green, and anything due today shows a blue indicator with due today. This gives you a live countdown and a quick urgency signal in the same column. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, your Notion database is automatically calculating time remaining, converting it into readable text, and visually flagging urgency without any manual updates. As your deadlines change day by day, the formula updates on its own, which makes this especially useful for project tracking, content calendars, and task management systems. Once you've built it once, you can reuse the same idea in any Notion database that includes a date property.